In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can play Rainbet if you live in Australia. As you can see right now, I get the message, sorry, Rainbet isn't available in your region, and that is because officially Rainbet doesn't have a license in Australia. However, there is a workaround. I can still play on this site. So to do this, we are going to be using a VPN, which is a program that allows you to change your location online. So click on the link in the description. It's going to take you to NordVPN, which is a VPN we are going to download and use to change our online location. And NordVPN is also actually one of the only VPNs which is working with this website right now. Once you have NordVPN set up and installed, you want to open it right here. And as you can see right now, I will connect it to Australia, to Perth. What we want to do is connect to a country where Rainbet is available, and my favorite place for that is Romania. So I can simply go ahead and type in Romania right here and then connect. And now, as you can see, we are connecting to Bucharest, and now we have a Romanian IP address, as you can see right here. What I then like to do is open up a new tab, type in buyingasol.com/Rainbet, or go to the link down in the description. And this is then bringing you back to Rainbet from where we need to verify. And now, as you can see, we are brought back to the sign up page without the pop-up that we are restricted. So from here, we can now register for our account and play on the site. So let me show you how that works. Okay, I'm now logged into my account, and from here, I can go to wallet at the top. And now I can deposit either with crypto or with any of the other methods, with banking, with fiat money, and I can also withdraw my winnings once I play on the sites. From here, we can scroll down, we can see all the games available and actually play on the site. For all the resources, I'll leave everything down below in the description. If this helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.